A warm welcome to your most authoritative tree lesson program, Learn Tree with Opoku. In our first video, we learned about constructing phrases or sentences in the simple present tense in tree. In this video, we are going to learn how to construct phrases or sentences, or how to convert phrases or sentences from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. So stay tuned. Welcome back. Let's recall a bit about the last lesson. In the last lesson, we said that if you want to construct a statement or a sentence in the simple present tense, all that you needed to do was to add the pronoun to the verb, and that was all. The same thing applies here. If you want to construct a sentence in the present continuous tense in tree, you add the pronoun to the verb. However, before you add the pronoun to the verb, you will have to preface the verb with re. As soon as you do that, then the verb is transformed from the simple present state to a present continuous tense. That is all. So for instance, in the first video or in the first lesson, we constructed a statement like, or a phrase like meko, that is I go. Now if you want to convert this from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense, this is what we will do. We will write me, but before we add ko, we will preface the ko with what? Re. So it will become what? Mereko. That is I am going. I am going. That is all you need to do to convert a statement from a simple present tense to a present continuous tense. Or that is all you need to do to construct a statement in a simple present tense. Preface the verb with re. Good. Let's take another example. Let's say I want to say you are going. You is what? In tree, wo. So if I want to say you are going, we know that ko is to go. So go will be what? Ko. So we'll have wo and then ko. However, because we want to construct a statement in the present continuous tense, then I will say wo re ko. And so here you see that before I added the verb, and that is ko, I prefaced the verb with what? Re, and it became wo re ko. However, there is something that you have to take note of. In tree, just like any other language, some of the words are pronounced differently from the way they are written. For example, in English, as a non-native speaker of English language, I could say that the way we write this word knife, from the way we pronounce it, as a non-native speaker, if I had my way, I would have pronounced the word like what? Kinifi. So if you ask me, the way it is written is different from the way it is what? Pronounced. A similar situation also occurs in tree. For instance, I have written woreko, that is you are going, woreko. However, the way we pronounce it in normal daily conversations is different. In normal daily conversations, I will not say woreko, but I will say woko. What we do is that we double the vowel of the pronoun wo, so it will become woko, or just elongate the vowel and then add the verb. So in written we write woreko, but in speaking we say woko. Good. Let's take ono, and that is he or she. like we learned previously, ono, when acting as a subject, it loses the no, that is no, and we get what? O. So ono plus reko, we will get oreko. Oreko. He is going or she is going. It's the same. Oreko. But like I said, this is how we write it. But in normal daily conversations, we will say oko. Oko. Double the vowel. Elongate the pronoun. And you will sound very native. So we will say oko. If you want to use it, that is eno. Eno plus reko. Eno will lose the no and we'll get and then we'll add reko. So it will be what? Ereko. 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 However, we will say eko. 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 So you see, the way it is written is different from the way it is what? Pronounced. Good. Let's now take some of the plural pronouns like we, yen, yen. Yen, when acting as a subject to a verb, will lose the n and it will become what? Ye. So ye plus reko, we will get what? Yereko. Yereko. We are going. Yereko. However, we will say yeko. Yeko. We will not say yereko. When you say yereko, you'll be understood all right, but you will not sound native. That is the point. Good. Let's take one day. What happens when one is acting as a subject to a verb? What happens? Yeah, it loses the n that ends it. So it will be what? 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 Good. So what plus reko. Don't forget to preface the verb always with what? Re. So what plus reko will become what? Wareko. 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 But in normal daily conversations, we will say walk. Walk. So in a nutshell, all that we are trying to say is that if you want to make a statement in the present continuous tense in Twi, what you have to do is that before you add the pronoun to the verb, preface the verb with this prefix, re, re, re. Good. Do you also want to learn how to construct statements or make statements in the simple past tense? Then check out the next video. However, until then, like I always say, keep learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.